Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am unboxing some new organizers that I have added to my art space. I have been wanting to tidy up my supplies and these seemed perfect for the job. This yellow organizer is a two-tier design and I love how simple and functional it is. The soft yellow tone adds a light, cheerful touch to my art space. It's perfect for keeping my miscellaneous supplies like erasers and little art tools neatly stored away. Plus, it has a smooth rotating feature, making it easy to access everything inside. Whenever I'm in the middle of a project, it's so helpful to have a spot for all these smaller items without cluttering the desk. Now, this pink organizer is probably my favorite. These bunny head knobs are such a cute touch. They add a playful, fun vibe to my art space while still being functional. The bunny heads are not just for decoration, they are easy to grip, making it super convenient to pull open the drawers and grab my brushes and art supplies quickly. It's a simple yet thoughtful design that makes organizing feel so much more fun. I have organized my pencils, markers, and tools here. It feels like everything has its place now, and that makes me feel so much more at ease while creating. This first one is a mini drawer set. I love the little cloud designs on the front. It gives such a dreamy, whimsical feel to my desk, perfect for holding small tubes of paint and other tiny items. Inside, I have stored my acrylic paints, neatly fitting each color into its little drawer. Having everything organized like this makes painting sessions so much smoother. Next, we have this adorable pastel drawer set with bunny knobs. It's perfect for my brushes and tools. The pastel colors add a pop of brightness to my studio, and the compact size saves so much space. I love how everything now has its own place, making it easier for me to grab what I need when inspiration strikes. And there we have it. My art supplies are finally organized and ready for my next project. I can't wait to see how this setup will make my creative flow even better. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you enjoy organizing your art space too. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cozy art content. See you next time.